Hello, I'm PC Makeover, back at it again with another reaction. And today I'm going to be reacting to Pelageya singing Oh But Not Evening. Oh but not evening, like the name is kind of sketchy. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. I really want to see what they got for us, so let's start. Alright. Oh, I love her outfits. She looks so beautiful.
Ой, да не вечер, да не вечер, а мне мало спалось, мне мало спалось. Ой, да во сне привиделась, мне мало спалось. Ой, да во сне привиделась, а мне во сне привиделась, ай, будто конь мой вороной разыгрался, расплясался, ой, разрезился подо мной, ох и ой, разыгрался, расплясался, ой, разрезился подо мной. Ай, налетели ветры злые,
Nice.
ай, да с восточной стороны.
I love the fire.
Ай, сорвали черную шапку, ой, с моей буйной головы, ох и ой, и сорвали черную шапку, ой, с моей буйной головы.
Guys, this song is so beautiful. I love her voice country. See the way she was going, I hooked. The way she was just going over and over and over. It was so beautiful. I love her voice. I love her outfit. Her outfit is so beautiful. The stage is so unique. I love the way they decorated the stage. It's so nice. And this is my second time reacting to her song. The first time I reacted to it, there were like 4 there, and it was so incredible. I enjoyed every bit of it. That vibe was beautiful, and right here she's giving me her best. I love her voice, I love her style, I love the way she's just so unique, like the way she's enjoying herself and she's just pouring out all her emotions is so beautiful. I just love her confidence. I love the voice is so nice, guys. I'm enjoying every bit of it. I'm loving it from the beginning to where I just paused. It has been incredible, and I really want to see what she got for us. So let's continue now.
спалось, ой, да во сне привидела.
Пелагея, красивая, талантливая.
Спасибо большое.
Пелагея.
С юбилеем, дорогие атомщики!
I love her smile. I love you. You could see the way the audience enjoyed every bit of it. See the way they just paid maximum attention from the beginning down through to the end. And when she was done, they just gave her a round of applause. Her performance was incredible. I love her style. I love her confidence. I love her vocal. Like, she just brought out a beautiful piece, and it was so nice, guys. Every bit of this was incredible. I enjoyed it. I felt it, and I'm so happy I reacted to this, guys. This is a wonderful piece. Pelageya did a wonderful job. The instrument was lit. It was so nice. The audience, they were just so cool. Like, the way they just paid attention, they were going along with it from the beginning down through to the ending. It was so incredible, and they were so massive. The audience was so many, and it was unique, guys. I just love her style. I love the way she was smiling, and she was just in her own feelings, and she enjoyed every bit of her performance. That was incredible. That was unique. So, guys, let me know what you think about my reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of me, please ensure to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you on the next one.